Hello everybody, I'm Danny Tippett with Lime Life by Alcone, and today I'm going to show you how to shape and fill in your brows. I'm going to be using brush number 14. It's our brow tamer brush. I'm also going to be using eyeshadow in the color La Vida Mocha and our setting spray, our Time Setter 16-hour setting spray. First, I primed my face and that has all soaked in, and then I'm going to take our brow tamer brush and I'm going to take the liner side and spray it with the setting spray. This is just going to give it a little bit of moisture with the eyeshadow and help my brows last all day and have a creamy, smooth consistency. First, I brush my brows out with the spoolie side, and then I line the bottom of my brows just like so. I'm adding a little bit more eyeshadow to my brush, and then I'm going to line the top of my brows. Then I'm going to begin filling them in with light brush strokes in between. Make sure that you add more setting spray if the brush becomes dry, just to make sure you have that creamy consistency. Now right here I am putting the eyeshadow at the front of my brow and creating a nice line to make them nice and crisp. Continue filling them in completely, make sure they're totally filled in, and you can always brush them out with the spoolie. Look at that, oh my goodness. All right, so now on to the next one. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Start by lining the bottom of your brow, just like so. Then line the top. And then after we've lined the top, you're going to start filling in the middle. Make sure you brush it out with the spoolie brush if you need to. And then here is where I do the front of my brow and make that nice crisp line and fill in the rest. This is a great natural way to fill in your brows, make them look nice and crisp and clean, and you can always clean them up with concealer at the end if you would like to make even crisper lines underneath your brow and over top. So the products that you need to achieve this look is the Time Setter setting spray, the brow tamer brush number 14, and an eyeshadow that matches your brows. Thanks for watching.